How many times do you notice advertisements while reading a magazine or a newspaper unless they are big enough to catch your eyes? And how often do you notice ads in social and digital media and even watch them? You can tell the difference. Digital marketing impacts you more than the traditional advertising tools. This is the newest trend in marketing, catching people's eyeball through social and digital media instead of newspaper, magazines or billboards. But have you ever wondered why companies are going crazy for this trend? What benefits are they reaping from it? Were they not happy so far with the outcome of the traditional promotional tools and techniques? What extra is digital media offering them? These are the questions that often cross our minds when we see so much emphasis on digital marketing and its rapid spread. It is not that companies were unhappy or dissatisfied by the impacts created by the traditional media tools. It is that the social and digital media have opened up newer avenues to reach out to customers and have enhanced the business potentiality manifolds. For example, companies are using Facebook for acquiring new customers and connecting with existing ones, Twitter for creating brand awareness, YouTube for gathering eyeballs, Google for advertising to the targeted customer, and LinkedIn for talent acquisition. For the past 3 decades, the very definition of advertising has been television, newspaper and billboard ads for almost everyone. But things have changed dramatically in the last 5 years. Digital and social media marketing has taken the advertising world by storm. Digital marketing is killing the traditional marketing techniques because it is cheaper, has wider reach, gets more attention span of target audience, flexible and informative. Digital marketing helps companies build direct contact with the customers through Facebook or Twitter. It makes them build loyal community, get feedback from the customers, work on product development, and improve sales. Through platforms like LinkedIn, businesses can acquire talent and human resource that can help the business grow from strength to strength.